Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I am Azhar Ali Khan, mathematics teacher of Shamsullah Khan School and College, English version. Amid of COVID-19, our school providing online classes to continue your study smoothly. I hope all of you will be able to bite your future along with the school, society and the nation. According to our first semester syllabus, today I am going to share an attractive and educative class on mathematics subject and topic division, and go to page 61 to 67. Okay, my dear students, this is our division and page number 61 to 67. Okay, so please open your book and 61 to 67. This is division. So first given one questions 1. So 44 division 2. So what is result at first? So you will solve solution. You will solution, write down solution. Okay, solution here 2 first 14, you write down this way, it's called division. So at first you will multiply number of 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, and 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, and 2 6 is 12, 2 7 is 14. So this is 14. So already matching. Already matched 2 7 is 14. So my dear student, you write down here 14 and last you take subtraction, and this is our 0. So you put here 0 because when you subtract from here, so 4 minus 4 0, 1 minus 1 0. So you write down 0 0. Our answer is only, this is finished, 0 0. So answer our 7. This is our rules division. This is our division rules. Okay. Another question. This is one system. Another question. You go to page number. Given suppose number 3, question number 3, same page number 62, and question number 3 here given 0 division 9. Okay, so 0 division 9 means 0 division 9 means 0, because you division, so 9 0 is 0, so 0 here subtraction 0. So result our 0. This is our result. Okay. So now go to page number here. This is page number 63. Same also here left 6, and go to page number 63. Given one example, you see page number 63 here under the some sentence given here. Page number 63. Okay, my dear students, here given some maths. Here given here 4 page number, this is page number, this is 14 division 4. So what? This is another rules here. This is, so solution here 4 division 14. So how many times you count? 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, but 16 over the 14. 16 over the 14. So, you can take 3 times. 3 4 is 3 4 is 3 4 is how much? 12. Put here 12. So, you can subtract here. So, remaining 2, because 4 minus 2, 2, and 1 minus 1, 0. So, 0 no need in the font side. Okay, my dear student, this is remaining left. So, this is called here name remainder, R-E-M-A-I-N, remainder. This is called remainder. Okay. So, when you answer, write down your answer. Write down your answer 3 remainder, here remainder. So, 3 remainder 2. You will answer this way. This is our answer. So, this is question. This is our question here. You see the page nong. Go to page nong 64. Go to page nong 64. This is name question. K. This is now question. Q-O-T-I-E-N-T. This is questions. This is question, and this is our remainder. Okay, my dear student, this math you will solve this way. Suppose I give another maths. Here, page nong 64. So, given here, page nong 64. Okay, my dear students, you write down here, given 14 and division 5. Here given division 5. So, how much? How much result? So, you can solve same this way. You can solve this way. Okay. So, first of all, 5 division 14. So, how many times will go? You count 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15, but our given 14, right? Given 14, but 5 3s are 5, 5 3s are, my dear student, 5 3s are 15. So, here 15, but given here 14. So, how many times will go? 2 times. 3 times is more. 2 times it's okay. So, 5 and 2, 10, remaining 4. Because 1 minus 1, 0. So, you will solve this way. So, no need this number. I only given here for your understanding. So, 4 here. So, remainder, this is called remainder, and this is called quotient. So, our answer 2 remainder, this is remainder 4. This is 4. This is our answer. Suppose this is number 1. This is question number 1. This is question number 1. Our rules. Page nong. Again, I reply. Page nong 64. Okay, my dear student. Page nong 64. And question number 1. 14 division 5. How much? So, you can solution where this way. You can solution this way. 5, this 5 and 14 here, and you at first you will multiply number of 5. Okay. So, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 3s are 15. So, 15 is over then 14. So, you can take 5 multiply 2. So, how much? 10. 10 is acceptable because 5 multiply 3, 15. 15 is not acceptable because given here 14. So, you can take 2 times. So, 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 10. 10 put here and subtract. You can subtract remaining 4. So, 4 is called a remainder. This is called remainder. This is called remainder. This is quotient. So, you can write your answer this way. Page nong 65. Page nong 65. Okay. Page nong given 65. Here given submath, suppose given number 1. You go to page number 65 and given 2 division 13. Okay, how many times you multiply? You can take multiply. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. But 14 is over the 13. So, 14 cannot accept you can not accept 14 because 2 multiply 7. So, 14, but our given 13, but it is not allowed. So, you can take 6 times, so 12. This is our 6 12s are 12. So, my dear students, you can take 6 times. Okay. So, this is you can solve here, already given here, solve the format here. Okay. So, this is 2, this is 13, 6 times. So, this is 12, and remaining here, how much remaining here? 1, remaining 1. Okay, my dear student, this is quotient, this is remainder. So, you can write remainder here. So, you will solve this math all at your home. Oh, here given 6, here come here 6. Okay. Another question given 4, same page, I given same page question number. So, given question number here question number page 65. Okay, question number 4. So, given 860. Okay, my dear students, no problem, you can solve very easily. So, you can put same format, you can put here, no problem. 8 here, this 8 here, 60 here, and at first you will read multiplication table 8. So, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, and 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. It is not allowed. 8 6s are 8 7s are 56, and 8 8s are 64. So, this is not allowed because here given 60, but our result 64, it is not allowed. So, this is okay. So, how many times? 7 times. So, 7 56, remaining 4. So, okay, my dear students, our question, this is called question, this is question 7, okay, 7, and remainder 4, you can 4 here, and page number same also, you can go to page number 67. This is 67, you can go, and remaining maths I will give in my PowerPoint presentation. Okay, my dear students, given some maths and some word problem.